getötet und jetzt will er Rache. Was hätten Sie erwarten können?
23번 발신자님, 대화에 무엇을 추가하고 싶으신가요?
안녕.
They reach in their bag. A knife? No. A lead pipe? No. A rope? No. A knife is always a knife. They lean over me whilst I'm sleeping and lift the knife in the air slowly. And then it's fast, all at once, down, into my skin, out of my skin, into my skin, out of my skin, in, out, and then a quick getaway.
It makes so much sense!
Oh my god, what?
I'm the one who gave Miss Martin the flowers and the chocolates. My bad. Somebody go. Okay, bye. Please get back together with her. Bye. I know you're lying. It was flowers and chocolate. I could even smell your perfume.